Our offline deliverable tool is a great accompaniment for closeout documentation and as-builts that you'd be providing to your owner or client of the project. It's also really great for archiving to make sure that you have a record of the projects that you've built and have documented inside of DroneDeploy. And so with this tool, what you can do is all of the drawing sheets and all of the media on those drawing sheets that has been uploaded over the life cycle of the project can be exported out in an offline fashion. So your teams have gone through the process of documenting these sites. We are allowing you to export them and their locational context with the drawing sheets that have been uploaded into DroneDeploy and export that out into a zip folder. You can filter this and section this out by date range. You can also section it out by levels. So if you don't want to export the entire project through the life of it, all the way maybe from when you were using DroneDeploy to estimate and bid this project to the point of substantial completion, you might want to only include certain aspects or certain levels, certain sheets that you've uploaded. That is totally possible. And then once you export this, you get a zip folder that you can provide to the client or again, save locally internally so that you guys have this record. But in here, we have a really nice, that is an index HTML file, which is really a wrapper that utilizes your browser in an offline fashion, meaning you don't have to have an internet connection. It's not taking you or hyperlinking you to another website like DroneDeploy or any others, but you can view this all within your browser. And so the experience is a very great polished package that you can filter by the time range, specific dates that you've exported, and of course the sheets that you've also included in this export, and everything is viewable just like it was in DroneDeploy. So for your clients and their operations and maintenance teams that'll be taking this over and maybe down the road when they're doing renovations or doing work, they will be able to reference this and go in and actually see where things were installed, which is very appreciative if you've ever worked in maintenance before, knowing where things are above ceiling, knowing where tie-ins are in wall so that they can make the best use of their time and money is a wonderful aspect of this, and the experience of this viewer makes it a very polished package that you can turn over to them. So this is one of the tenets of DroneDeploy is that the data that you've captured and uploaded into our platform is something that you can also bring back out and use as needed in these situations.